We live in a digital age, so why do we still need to use paper? Well, according to Forrester research, more than 50% of information in the world is still based on paper. In addition, paper is the ideal medium for capturing surveys, registrations, applications, those types of things. It's easy to distribute the paper and to collect the paper from the field. Sometimes not all users have access to computers, so having a paper option is a requirement for getting data from those people that need to go into other systems. Finally, courts require hard copy, so paper is still going to be around whether we like it or not. Here are some of the places where TeleForm could be used. In an education facility, TeleForm has a great applicability for things like new student registrations, application processing, service requests. For research institutions and nonprofits, TeleForm makes a great tool for collecting survey data from the field. Inside an organization, there are many uses for TeleForm in the HR department, in the financials department. Basically anywhere that you're currently using paper and you're spending much time processing the paper, entering the data from the paper into a third-party system, TeleForm is a good fit. Let's take a look at how TeleForm works in more detail. What you see here on the left is a typical form filled out by somebody, submitted back to a company or an organization or a school. In the past, it was the job of a clerk to type in the information from the handwritten form into a computer system. And TeleForm, you don't have to do the transcription yourself. So with TeleForm, you will train TeleForm as to where to look on the form to read the data, and TeleForm will go out and make its best guess at reading the information from the form that was handwritten. Now granted, TeleForm isn't perfect, humans aren't perfect. What TeleForm will do is highlight things that it thinks it did not read correctly for a human to verify. Granted, there's going to be some human intervention involved, but it's something on the order of 1/10 of the amount of effort that a human would have to spend otherwise transcribing 100% of the document into a computer system. When TeleForm finds text that it can't read, it'll highlight it for you. It'll provide a picture of the image, and as you see the highlighted R in the bottom, it'll highlight the character in question and try to determine the best character match and allow the operator to override if TeleForm's guess is not the correct guess for the character in question. At the end of the process, when TeleForm's done, it will take all of the information that it's extracted and write it back to your business system, to databases on the back end, to whatever system you need to collect data from the form into. If needed, it will also capture the image of the form itself for things like surveys, timesheets, to meet government mandates or for IRS mandates, and it will write those forms, the copies of the actual forms, into a document management system like the CEO, Image Executive System, or some other third-party system. In short, TeleForm allows you to process forms a lot more quickly, a lot more accurately, a lot more efficiently, with a lot less human intervention.